Alright, we're here at 1140. We'll be doing a camera inspection. Right now, facing the house. This is on the west side. Main stack. Let's proceed. You have galvanized pipes here, turning into cast iron, where the section turns vertical, horizontal. Camera. Yeah, it's because of the piping configuration that they used to do. Screen is all off a little mess. Let's just pull this down. We'll clean the screen. Yeah, unfortunately, it looks like we're not really going to get any more footage from this stack, but the other stack should give us access to the horizontal section. Vertical section is fine. So let's just move this over to the next stack. Alright, so we're here at stack number 2, this is the center of the hump. Spider webs in there. This is the vertical section turns into the horizontal. It's not looking really good. We have a lot of build-up in there. It would definitely be a good idea to get these lines jetted. But moving forward, it does seem to get better. I believe this is the access point. This is the access point that we couldn't get past last time. The other stack. It's not really letting us do it. I mean, it's just not. The change of direction is just flat. So let's see if we can do one fell swoop. That's as much as we're going to get in this stack. Hopefully we'll have better luck at the other stack. That's all we can do for here. Okay, so we are here at the third stack. This is all the way on the east side. You can see there's just a lot of little ropes there. There's just a lot of build-up here on the walls, and that's just corrosion. And then this stuff here is the flakes. So it corrodes, and then it erodes, and then eventually it falls apart. And we just can't seem to negotiate this turn here. I mean, this is really killing the camera. I wish that we can turn it, but we just can't make this turn. Unfortunately, the way that the fittings are configured is not letting it. So, well, we have one more stack, so we're going to try that one, and hopefully we'll have better luck there. Alright, so we're here at the third stack in relation to the house. It's right here, right next to the screen. So let's proceed. Let's hope that we get better luck with this one. You can see the part where it starts to release. Oh yeah, there's a lot of build up here. Yeah, I mean, these lines are in bad shape. See how the diameter shrinks. I can't even push the camera. There's just so much debris in there. so much debris. It's actually blocking the camera from going through. There we go. This is that turn that we were having trouble negotiating, so that's good news. Let's see how far we can get over here. Not very far. Did all these changes of direction. Looks like we've got some wipes here. Yeah, some more wipes. And as you can see, cast iron pipes here are all eroded, but is kind of to be expected. Here we have another buildup of some wipes, so this line should definitely be cleared to avoid any inevitable blockages. Just once that starts to build up, that's the blockage we're looking for. So let's see how much further we can get. Is a bit poor, unfortunately, but so far nothing out of the ordinary. It's a very corroded line. Okay, I'm just going to do a locate. I want to see exactly where we are. This is as far as it's going to go, about 70 feet in. So we're going to pause and just do a locate. Okay, so the locate determined we're actually right next to another clean out, right along the side of the house when you go in from the right side gate. So we're going to stop the camera inspection here, and then we're going to open that clean up out, and we'll get some more footage.